Hello and welcome to my channel, DaicyPop. Today I have a plan with me featuring this beautiful kit from lahlaland that I actually got free from their Facebook group, a digital download that I print and cut myself. And unfortunately the first part of this plan with me got cut off, and also the last part, heads up, spoiler alert. But I do have some of the process of my planning, so I will be sharing that with you. But for the first part, I will have to explain some of the things I had already done. So I put down this beautiful geometric shape, like colorful bottom washi. It actually came with two strips, the little skinny glitter strip and that bottom washi, and I just put them in the order that I saw them in, but there's the option to put them in different, or if you're printing it, you can just cut it down as one full washi. And for the side, as you know, if you have a recollections planner, you know that the sidebar always comes with this big block of color. So the kit actually came with double boxes, and yeah, like it's like a full box but put together as a double box and actually connected. So I just decided to cut that in half and use it to cover up. That way I can use as much as I want of it, and it covers the whole thing up. And I always cover the color, even if the color matches, I don't like it, so I always cover it up. So next I put this week that came from the kit, and I decided to put down a checklist, because I want, which will change later to a full checkbox, but I wanted to put all my favorite memories. And I put down this washi that came from Michael's, and it's a gold foiled heart washi. And I used the date covers that came with the kit. For the top part, the recollections planner tends to also have, well, this version anyway, in the new one it's not like that, but it has a black date, like numbers, which I do not like at all, so I just use some of the solid color headers to cover that up. And so let's start off with Monday. Oh, and I also added a little bit of deco stickers that I got from my own sticker books to put alongside of April. And okay, let's start with Monday. On Monday, I put down the tutu header that came with the kit. Then I put down one of the 3 heart checklists and decided to put all the things that I wanted to do that day. That was self-care and getting ready before I had to go out. So I put that I wanted to clean my oil bottle and do a hot oil treatment, which felt so good for my hair. And I washed my hair and I got ready. The girl washing her hair is from Doodles Do. And I used a beautiful glitter label from the kit and put that I want to get ready, and using the Akina Prince pastel hair girl putting on makeup, which is so cute. And then I used a washi strip from the kit, and then I wanted to put that me and my sister were going to the mall, so I put the Once More with Love munchkins of like the besties hanging out. And I actually went to the mall to do a tax refund or tax returns, and I was going to get a pretty big return, so I was excited about that. So I put a Money Girl, I think it's the shopping sheet, from Kina Prince, and we also got boba and buns. I wanted to put a boba sheet, but I don't have any. But I also ran out of space anyway, so I just wrote it in. But I definitely wish I could put a sticker to signify that, because that was a great moment. That was one of my favorite moments. Then I put a shopping bag. I'm not sure where it's from. I'll probably, if there's anything I don't remember, you can ask me. I probably would have figured it out by then, or I will put it on the video there. But anything else I forget, just let me know. Then I put a cleaning bottle from K Stickers Co. and the label from the kit to say that I wanted to clean. And then I got paid from a job that I previously worked at. I got my last paycheck from there, and they decided to pay the last paycheck now, so I was excited about that. Who doesn't get excited about money? And then I used a beautiful full box from the kit, which has like a nice watering can, and I put a solid color header above that, and washi, a piece of washi that I got from Michael's, and I wanted to put that. I've had French toast. It's my favorite breakfast food, having French toast, but I don't have any French toast stickers, so I put a pancake sticker from Zoe K Creations. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I put a TV sticker from my shop, and I wanted to put that I watch Timeless, which is a really cool show. I stopped kind of watching it now because I don't know if I like where the new season is going, but I put that there. And I used a little flag from the kit, and then I put a little arrow sticker from the kit and a sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. of like YouTube binging watching emoji to put that I YouTube binged after that. It was a pretty lazy day, I guess. I did work on listing photos, which is coming up next, but that does take up a lot of my day when I do a lot of stuff for the shop, especially like stuff on Photoshop, and if I'm editing photos and stuff, that takes me a while throughout the day, so I tend to just put that at the last part of the day and don't really fill the day with anything else, especially stuff that repeat a lot. So I put that washi strip from Michael's, that heart washi, and a today header from the kit. The laptop is from Every Minute a Story. So cute. And I put that I worked on listing photos. And I do the dishes every day, but I don't know, sometimes I like to put it in just cause. And I put a fork and a spoon sticker from K Stickers Co. an icon and a label from the kit, and put what I cooked for that day. I don't meal plan. I like to put down when I cook something and it turned out good, and or if I really enjoyed what I cooked that day, or if, I don't know. Sometimes I cook like easy meals and things like that, but if I decide to go really chef and decide to really cook up a good dinner, then I like to put it down, just cause. And then I put down that I wanted to list out. I mean, I'm such a shopaholic, like to put that as something so important, but I was listing out all the people and that were going to be included in the Ultimate Planner sale, and I was making a list of that, and I put also that I was window shopping, so I was making lists of all the different things I wanted to get, and so I put a what is it called, a bear corn, something like a unicorn and a bear at the same time. That's what it is, and it's from Spot Drop, and it's on the phone. Then I put I pulled it up, but I'm deciding between which emoji from the Coffee Monsters code that I want to use to signify window shopping. So I had this like sampler page, and I decided to use this Target bag one. But I will try to cover up. Oh, and I use this Etsy sticker from, I forget that one as well, but it was actually a label, and I cut it into a little flag. It was like a blank label that had like a white space to write in, and I just cut it into a little flag shape, made it a square. And yeah, so I covered up the Target bag because I was not Target shopping. I was just plain window shopping, which is the most fun thing to do. To just stream and wish on products that you're getting. Then I put a to-do header from the kit. It has a piece of white and a little piece of pattern on it because, again, I cut these myself, and I actually cut them by hand with a little knife. So some of the times my hand cuts weren't the most perfect thing. So I decided, okay, because it's a white background, and I don't know, it looks kind of cool anyway, so I just put the to-do header there, and I put a label from the kit, and I actually got a piece of white sticker paper and a blue marker, and I drew a little blue square and got my white gel pen and made a little Photoshop sticker and cut that out, and put that I wanted to edit the listing photos, because I had taken some new flat lays photos, a new background for my products to go on. So I decided to put that down, that I did that, and I was actually editing the photos and making new listing photos with the new backgrounds. And so I put a sticker from Van Sticky of a girl working on her computer. And because I didn't do much else that day, I decided to put a giant TV sticker from my shop, DaicyPop, on Etsy. I put that there, so to just say that I binge watched Timeless again, and I didn't like the way I wrote it, so I rewrote it on some white sticker paper, and I put a full box from the kit. On Thursday, I put it down a to-do header from the kit, and that geometric, like cube-shaped full box, which I really think is so cool. Like, I like the fact that it's florals, but it also has like these cool geometric shapes. I think it really goes really well together, and I love the colors of this kit. It's very spring. And then I put a label and wanted to mark down that I want to mark down that it was a groceries day. And that sticker is from Zoe K Creations, or Zoe K Creations. And I want to put that I watched Jack and Jill, the movies. I mean, not to be rude or anything, but the movie's so stupid, but it's so funny at the same time. And it's like, Adam Sandler movies are like my guilty pleasure. Like, I love watching them, even though some of them are really dumb, but majority of them are my favorite movies. But Jack and Jill, I didn't like that much, but I watched it again anyways, and I decided to watch that. Again, my days are not, I don't have a lot to do in the day, especially if I do one thing that takes a very long time. Sometimes I'll start stuff like in the middle of the afternoon or whatever, but it was a pretty chill day that day as well. So I put that I had a very tired day because I was feeling really exhausted and tired. I probably need to eat more vegetables. So I put that sticker from Sweet Kawaii Design. It's just like a sleeping dog or a sleeping puppy, and it used to have a little words under it that says I need a break, but I didn't really need a break. I just wanted to put that I had a very tired day. And I put down that I wanted to research some new printers because I hated the printer that I had, and it always cuts off everything when I try to print as actual size. So I wanted a printer with a bigger printing service, but if you don't care about the printers, you probably don't care about any of that. But yeah, so this part's kind of a mess because I'm going to keep trying to fit those two stickers in. I think it looks cute that way, but I will be moving that later. But I put another spot drop polar cord, I think that's what it's called, on the phone, because that's usually what I use to do all my research or do anything really. I'm always on my phone, so definitely need a lot of those stickers. And I put a printer sticker from the Sticker Genie, and I put this laptop sticker from a Happy Blue Tree to say that I wanted to do digital paper listing photos because I was going to be releasing digital papers. So I put that, and I wanted to still work on more stuff that's not that important, but since I had put a lot of stuff in my Etsy cart, I was just preparing it and getting it ready for the sale the next day. So I was taking things out and putting things in and trying to budget it and just work it out so that everything will be perfectly ready for when I want to press buy. So I did that for the rest of the day as well, but the digital papers took me a while. The digital paper photos took me a while, so I spent most of the day doing that. And then I put a washi strip from the kit and a piece of washi, Michael's washi, under that. On Friday, I put a solid header from the kit and a piece of washi to take up some room. And I wanted to put the big event itself, the Ultimate Planner Sale, so I put that on a half box from the kit. I really like the style of these kits. I actually might buy some kits. I know I got this one for free, but her kits are really nice, so I'm actually gonna try to get some kits from there. And I put this Shut Up and Take My Money from Fox and Cactus, one of my favorite stickers. And I put down this full box checklist, which is so cute with its little bow, and put down some of the stuff that I wanted to get done for the shop and for my social media, Instagram. I don't know, I'm being so fancy. I wanted to get some stuff done from the shop and from Instagram, and unfortunately this is the last thing that I recorded, and so I will be explaining the rest of the stuff that I did using this photo. So I put down a paperclip from Van Sticky, an Instagram sticker from Van Sticky, a label from the kit, and this beautiful coffee cup full box. And then I put down one of the double boxes that came with the kit in place of a weekend banner, because it didn't come with one, but I think this is so gorgeous it would look pretty with a weekend banner on it as well. And I just used some solid headers at the top, to-do headers from the kit, and then I have another Take My Money sticker, but this time from Kina Prints, because I actually bought a new printer, which I was really happy about, and the printer from the Sticker Genie, and I got some other Amazon stuff. Then I decided to continue designing a kit layout, because I will be trying to do kits now in my shop, and so I've been working on the kit layout for what feels like years. I'm still working on it now, and I'm probably going to change it again because I'm very indecisive, but I wanted to work on that, and that did take me quite a long time for most of the day. But at the end of the day, I decided to relax and watch a few shows, binge watch a few shows, and so I put down that TV sticker from my shop and some little bit of deco because Siren is a mermaid show, so I got some sea stickers, or sea themed stickers from a sticker book that I have. But yeah, so I decided to put down that I wanted to buy a Tombow brush pen, and I put a pen from a sampler I got. I don't remember where it's from. It was a free sampler, and it was a freebie. And I put this little peeking character from Ohana Story. I forget the name of the character, and I have the Every Minute a Story laptop. And I put down that I wanted to continue to design the kit layout. And then I watched one of my absolute favorite animes, How to Keep a Mummy. That was the day I actually watched it, and I cannot believe how cute and adorable that show was. It was like, it gives you such good, I don't know, it's addictive. It's the cutest thing ever. I really suggest it. So I put that very freaking out Munchkin from Once More with Love, because I couldn't believe how adorable the show was. And I put a TV sticker from my shop. And then at the bottom, I used another double box with this cat on it. It's so random and so cute, and I love it. And that concludes my spread. Yeah, I really had fun with this spread. Oh yeah, and I decided to change the sidebar to that heart checklist, because I forgot that those were in there, and so I decided to use one on there instead of the checklist. And I put a little bit of Simply Gilded washi and to fill up some space, and then I put a little munchkin at the top of that because I thought it was cute. And that's my spread. I hope you enjoyed it, and sorry that half of it was cut off, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And stay tuned for more Plan With Me's, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.